Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Yellow Mars from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the body. We'll start with a curve across at the top. Then from the ends, let's bring it down and curve it in. Now let's close off the bottom with another curve. And that's it for the shape of the body. Next, let's move up and draw the eyes. Let's start on the top left and let's draw 2 diagonal lines up. And the same on the right. Now at the end of each one, let's draw a large oval. And now let's add another oval inside each one. And then one more oval in the middle. And now let's color both of these in black. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's move inside and draw the mouth. Let's first start by drawing the tongue. We'll start with 2 bumps here. And then a curve down and back up to close it off. Next, let's draw the shape of the mouth. Let's hop up and draw a curve across. Then from the ends, let's angle it down and curve it in. And now let's curve it back in towards the tongue. Next, let's add the teeth inside. Let's start at the top and draw 2 rounded rectangles. And then one more smaller one on either side. Now for the bottom row, let's draw 1 small one on the left of the tongue, and then 2 on the right. And that's it for the mouth. Next, let's move to the sides and draw the hands. Let's start on the left and let's draw 2 angled lines down and out. And let's do the same thing on the right side. Now from the bottom, let's bring a curve down and back up for the thumb. Then another finger out. Now let's draw the next finger with a small curve above it. And then another smaller curve for the last finger. And that's it for the hands. Next, let's move down and draw the feet. We'll start with 2 curves down on the left and 2 on the right. Now from the ends, let's curve it down and back in. And the same thing on the other side, leaving a gap in the middle. Now in the gap, let's draw a U-shaped curve to close off the foot. And that's it for the feet. Next, let's move inside and draw some details on the body. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a bump up. And now underneath inside, let's draw a small oval. Now let's hop down and draw another oval on the side, and then 2 more underneath this one. Now let's hop over on the right and let's draw a bump out above the arm here, and then another oval next to it, and then 2 more below like this. Now let's move down in the center here and let's draw a large oval out to the left. Then 2 more on the left side. Then 2 triangle-shaped ones on the right. Then let's leave a small gap and draw 1 more on the right side here. Now inside that gap, let's draw 2 more smaller ones. And then another one above it here. Now let's hop up and let's draw another circular one and a smaller one next to it. Now let's draw 2 small ovals on the bottom right. And now let's draw a small oval on the top of each gap like this. Next, let's hop down underneath in the middle and draw 2 more. Then 1 below it. And lastly, 2 more on the bottom left here. And that's it for Yellow Mars. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!